Your family will never forget this basbousa. Today we will make the most delicious and easiest basbousa filled with qashta. I can assure you from now you will be addicted. In a bowl, put 1.5 cup of coarse semolina along with 1 cup of roasted powdered milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar. Mix all the ingredients very well and add 3/4 cup of yogurt at room temperature, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil and half a cup of water. Just a small pinch of salt and mix all the ingredients together. This is the texture and the color that you want for the basbousa mix. Now before putting the layers, let's prepare our ingredients. For the top, I will use half a bag of Pakistani vermicelli. If you don't have it, no problem, it's optional, you can continue with the recipe. I put it in a food processor for a few seconds until it's fine like this. And for the filling, I'm using this type of qashta, it's called qaymar. And you can put it like this into a bag to make it easier for you to distribute the qashta. Brush the pan or the mold you're using with some butter. Pour half of the semolina mix. Distribute it evenly using a spoon. Now distribute the qashta evenly all over the mold. To make the spreading easier for the second layer of basbousa, add some water, only 2 tablespoons, to make it easier to spread. If you don't make this step, the basbousa mix and the qashta might be mixed together. Now for the top, I will sprinkle the vermicelli on the top like this. If you don't have it, skip this step. To a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius, in the middle shelf the heat from the bottom for 15 minutes. Then broil the top to take a golden color. For the syrup, I'm using 1 can of sweetened condensed milk mixed with 1/4 cup of regular milk. Add this syrup once the basbousa gets out from the oven. The syrup is at room temperature and the basbousa is very hot. Now I will cover this basbousa and I will wait for it to soak all the syrup. Now it's ready to be served. It's at room temperature, a little bit warm. You can serve it warm like this and you can serve it cold from the fridge. Both ways are very delicious, but you should try it warm like this. It's very delicious and you will like it very much. You can decorate it like this with some lines from the syrup and some crushed pistachio. I can't wait for your feedback. When you try it, everyone will ask you for the recipe. It's very delicious. The addition of roasted milk to basbousa took it to another level. It's very moist from the inside and golden from the outside. The smell is irresistible. Your home will smell like a cozy home after this basbousa. Try it and let me know your opinion. And I'm sure you will like it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.